Welcome to my YouTube channel. For searching my more for watching my more videos, search my YouTube channel name Learn with Hafsa. Okay, in this video we will learn about what is inline styling, inline CSS. So in this line, I will write doc and it print write all the code here. Okay, inline CSS, inline CSS. Okay, here I write h1 tag and I write here learn with Hafsa. If I want to work in the inline CSS, I will write here inside the h1 tag. I write here style and write color, color red. I will give a styling to the h1 tag in the same line. Like it is known as inline sorry inline CSS, in which we are working on the same line. Like I am giving it here the color red, and now I will write here the size or family, anything I will write here, career, font family, and now in the code in the browser I will we will see it's showing the red color to the learn with Hafsa, and it will show the font family. Yeah, you will see here I have right here learn with Hafsa, and it is giving it the color red color and giving the font family Courier. It is known as inline styling. In the further videos we will do some assessments, and at the end of the tutorial I will upload some tasks here, and you have to perform these tasks. Thanks for watching the video.